Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my kitchen. We are on day 20 on our Daniel fast, and we are left with one day more or one more day to finish our Daniel fast recipes. Before we go to the recipes, let's check out for our Bible verses for today and our code. So we are using Esther 8, Psalm 35, and Psalm 36. Okay, so our quote reads, circumstances, good and bad, are tools God uses to shape, mold, and fit his children for their purpose and destiny in life. Somewhere Plantain Pepin from the book Hope Through the Dark. Please do well to subscribe, like and share this video, and click on the bell icon for me. So on day 20 we are having some ampesi special. Yes, ampesi special. So we are going to boil these. That is our garden eggs, pepper, turkey berries, tomatoes and onion. We have some palm oil, our tofu, and our plantain, and we're also using peanut butter. So we are going to boil these ones, and then we'll also cook our plantain. Okay, so this is it. We are going to boil it. Okay, and so we are done boiling our garden eggs, our ingredients, and we have also cooked our plantain and added some cold water. Set it aside and let it relax itself. And so we are going to work on our sauce. Guys, let me explain something to you here. The recipes I've been sharing, they are OMAD though. I don't eat them during the day because I'm fasting. I ate them after the fast, not in the morning. Then I will eat ampesi and I say I'm fasting. No, it's when I'm done fasting, when I break the fast, then I take my meals. And so if you choose to do Daniel fast 2 meals a day, then please make sure that in the morning you will take in fruits or some herbal tea with some steamed vegetables. That will be okay. So we are adding salt to our abum, yes, our sauce. And so those of you who watch the videos and you're like, hey, fasting and you are eating this, please. I eat them in the evening, like 4 p.m. So I've added my paste, my granite paste or butter to it. And we are mixing everything together. This is Ghana locals. Daniel fast in an African way. And so please, this is OMAD, 1 meal a day. So I pray throughout the day, then I'll eat in the evening. You see the way I'm talking too much? I want to clear the air for my people. Okay, so we are adding our garden eggs to it. We are not going to grind it very smooth though. Yes. This is a boom. Okay, so please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like this video, click on the bell icon. Very necessary. We are going to warm our palm oil. We'll add our tofu to it. Fry it very well. When the tofu is well fried, then we'll add onions to it. Yes. So if you don't know what Daniel fast is all about, I have a link in the description box. Click on it and watch the discussion or the explanation to what Daniel fast is all about. And I have videos on the other or previous recipes which you can also watch and then try. Videos on how to make Daniel fast sauces, and then Daniel fast salad dressings you can check out. Okay, so we are not cooking the onions to be very tender, so at this point it's okay. We are going to pour it on our sauce, and I want to believe every Ghanaian will want to hear some sound like okay, so we are going to serve ourselves. Okay, so serving ourselves now. So please subscribe. You have been watching these videos from day one. You have still not subscribed to my channel. Hey, we are adding some beautiful avocados to it. So this is it for day 20 on our Daniel fast. You will love this. So give it a try, okay? And then do share the video for me, like, subscribe, okay? Leave a comment. And when you say a prayer, don't forget to say one for me. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.